Students, we are studying Maths Part 2 for Standard 10, Chapter 1, Similarity. Last time we have studied the two conditions about the ratio of areas of two triangles. Okay, if the heights are equal, then what is the ratio of areas of two triangles? It is equal to the ratio of their corresponding base. And if base of the two triangles bases are equal, then what is the ratio of areas of two triangles? That is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. Okay, now you can see here one of the activities given on page number 3 of your textbook. Okay, here what is given, fill in the blanks properly. Okay, in that first sum, here a triangle ABC is given. In that triangle APQ, okay, it contains triangle APQ. Now here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ is equal to, now students, we know that the ratio of areas of any two triangle, how to take the formula, that is base multiply height. What is the base for triangle ABC? Base is BC. Okay, and what is height for this same triangle ABC? That is AR. AR is the height and BC is the base. Okay, similarly for triangle APQ, okay, for triangle APQ it is equal to base multiply height. What is for triangle APQ? Base is PQ. Okay, base and height, what is height? AR. Now you can see AR and here also AR are the same heights for both of the triangles. Okay, so these two same heights get cancelled with each other. So what is the remaining? BC upon PQ. Okay, these activities are very simple, but you are going to solve the first time, so just I am going to explain this. Okay, now here it is very easy activity. By using the first activity how we solved, you can solve the second activity. Okay, which two triangles are given? Now here area of triangle LMN we have to find. It means triangle LMN is given and second triangle DMN are, these two triangles are given. So first you write here base and height for the triangle LMN. What is the base for triangle LMN? That is MN. Okay, so you write it yourself here LM. And what is its height? Height is LP. Okay, and for triangle DMN, for triangle DMN, base is MN and height is DQ. Now you can observe that for both of the triangles base MN is equal. Okay, so cancel the two equal bases. What you will get? The answer will be ratio of their corresponding side, ratio of the corresponding heights, that is LP upon DQ. Okay, you can write here LP upon DQ. I have not written here because one of the activity I solved here, and by using the same, okay, here it is shown heights are equal, and in this second activity you will get bases are equal. So it is nothing but the ratio of these areas of these two triangles is equal to height of the first triangle LP upon height of the second triangle. Then what is the activity number 3? M is the midpoint of segment AB. Okay, M हा AB चा midpoint आहे, मध्यबिंदू of segment AB. M is the midpoint. And CM is the median. What is meant by CM? CM is the median. Median म्हणजे काय? Median is a line segment which joins the midpoint to its अपोजिट व्हर्टेक्स. ओके, आता हा मिड पॉईंट इथे आहे, याचे अपोजिट व्हर्टेक्स म्हणजे या लाईनचा जो अपोजिट व्हर्टेक्स, लाईन सेगमेंटचा अपोजिट व्हर्टेक्स किंवा या साईडचा अपोजिट व्हर्टेक्स इज सी. सो मिड पॉईंट जॉईनिंग द व्हर्टेक्स, अपोजिट व्हर्टेक्स. ओके, दिस इज नथिंग बट द मीडियन. कोणत्याही ट्रायंगलला किती मीडियन्स असू शकतात? 3 मीडियन्स. ओके, आउट ऑफ दॅट दिस वन इज द फर्स्ट मीडियन. Now here therefore area of triangle AMC, okay, area of triangle AMC upon area of triangle BMC BMC, these two triangles, and we have to find the ratio of areas of these two triangles which is equal to. आता पहा या दोन्हींसाठी काय आहे, मीडियन म्हणजे CM ही मीडियन आहे, M हा मिड पॉइंट आहे, म्हणजे AM डिस्टन्स आणि BM डिस्टन्स आर इक्वल डिस्टन्सेस. हे टू डिस्टन्सेस कसे आहेत, इक्वल डिस्टन्सेस. ओके, म्हणजे या टू ट्रायंगल्समध्ये वन लेंथ तर इक्वलच आहे. सो वी हॅव टू here take in the ratio of areas of these two triangles, we have to take this AM upon BM. Okay, and it is equal to AM upon AM because this BM is equal to AM, म्हणजे हे BM AM च्या इक्वलच आहे. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ BM अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू राईट AM. सो AM अपॉन AM इज इक्वल टू 1. आणि CM तर कॉमनच आहे. Okay, so CM gets cancelled and here AM also gets cancelled. So answer will be 1. So you can state the reason here. मग आता इथे reason तुम्ही काय लिहिणार? आता इथे बेस पण इक्वल आहे, हाईट पण इक्वल, म्हणजे आपलं थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी कन्क्लूड आपण काय करणार आहोत, the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights and with equal bases, their area is equal to 1. ओके, त्यांचा एरिया हा किती असतो, 1 असतो. the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights and with equal base is equal to 1. Okay, thank you students.